As we often say, aging, if it's not your issue, it will be. The longer you live, the more likely you may develop a dementia or memory problem of some type. And so it's critically important for us to understand that. We have some of the best minds in the entire world here at ASU. The gift is an amazing complement as well as support for developing psychoeducational skill-building interventions for people living with Alzheimer's disease and related dementias and their family caregivers.
If you want to make big contributions, you really have to collaborate and work together. So the project that we're working on is a really exciting project between myself and 2 other labs, and our hypothesis is that it's the early stage things that are the more toxic species that are causing all the damage in the brain, to try and isolate these unique toxic components and then hopefully use cryo-electron microscopy to image those and understand how they're doing what they're doing and why they're so toxic and how maybe we can treat them in the future. The seed fund has really helped us because we've had this idea that has potentially groundbreaking implications, but we just need to get it kind of off the ground. And, can we use some of these tools for improved diagnostics? Can we use some of these tools to develop new therapeutics or even maybe develop a vaccine? That's kind of where we see this going.
My aging research involves the social isolation of older adults and their caregivers, cognitive decline, depression, changes in health, cardiovascular disease, falls, cancer, and even death are associated with social isolation. It's a very serious problem right now, especially with the COVID. My postdoc, partially funded by the Edson Gift, examines this. It's called the Family Caregiver Connections Project. Hopefully, I will be developing an intervention out of that.
To me, the quality of life is way more important than the quantity of life. I want to continue to study interventions, particularly behavioral interventions, and help people to age better in brain health and prevent the onset and delay the progression of dementia. So we know it takes about 10 years minimum for research evidence to translate into clinical practice. By that time, it's too late, right, for a lot of people. So what I'm hoping to do is translate the intervention we have developed to make it widely available to people.
What I want to do right now is bridge simulation and geriatrics and blend them together. So virtual reality, and I'm going to bring that for caregivers of people with dementia. So what they're going to do is they're going to experience firsthand what it is having Alzheimer's. So if you improve communications for caregiver care recipient, then you see that the relationship is better. Then you see that immediate friends and family members, they will have better relationship as well.
I'm just really incredibly grateful to the Edson family for what they've done. I am a person who is ever grateful for what family caregivers do in our world. They support these individuals at a level that so many people don't understand until they're in that role.
Thanks to your gift, I got an education that gave me all the foundations that I needed to create this gift for the community.
And for them to be so generous and to support scholarship and support development of other faculty or students is just unbelievable because we need that.
I'm very grateful. It validates the work I've done to date, and I don't think there's anything more powerful than that.
And so hopefully if in some small part we can help advance that to where one day people do understand, what causes these diseases. It's been great to finally get the resources to actually do it and try to make a difference for Alzheimer's research.
Yes, of course. We need to be able to prevent, treat, cure Alzheimer's disease and related dementias. No doubt about it. Until we need to be able to provide evidence-based programming that reduces the stress and distress for the people living with the disease as well as for their family caregivers. The take-home message is, until there's a cure, there's care.